welcome back to TechVibes. If you have been using your Fire Stick lately, you probably noticed that Unlinked is officially down. Whether it is a temporary glitch or a permanent shutdown, many of us are looking for a reliable replacement to keep our favorite apps running. Today, I am going to show you the best alternative that works exactly like the original. This process is fast and will give you access to movies, live sports, and utility apps in just a few minutes. First, we need to get the Downloader app from the official store. Go to the search icon on your home screen and type in Downloader. Once it pops up, click on it and hit the download button to install it. This is the main tool we will use to grab our new app store. Before we can use it, we need to tweak a few things. Head over to the settings on your device. You need to find the developer options. If you do not see them, do not panic. Simply go to the About section and click the middle button on your remote repeatedly until a message says you are now a developer. Once that is done, go into the developer options and turn on ADB debugging. You also need to go into the Install Unknown Apps section and make sure the toggle for Downloader is turned to On. This allows us to install software from outside the official store. I always recommend using a VPN before proceeding. It keeps your activity private and your data encrypted. Once your connection is secure, open the Downloader app. In the search bar at the top, type in AppLinked.store. Share the link in description. This link takes you directly to the download page for our replacement app. Click the green download button on the right side of the screen. It should only take a few seconds to finish. When the prompt appears, click Install. After the installation is complete, do not click Open yet. Instead, click Done. This gives you the option to delete the installation file. You should always delete these files to save precious storage space on your Fire Stick. Now, we need to go back to the settings one last time. Go back into the Developer options and the Install Unknown Apps section. Look for the new app we just installed and turn the toggle to On. This ensures the new App Store can actually install the apps you choose from its library. To make things easier, find the new app in your list and move it to the front of your home screen. When you open it, you will see a massive library of content. You can browse by categories like live streaming, movies, or sports. If you want to see everything at once, check out the Public Stores section. This is where you will find a huge variety of media players and tools to enhance your streaming experience. That is all there is to it. You now have a perfect replacement for Unlinked that is fast and easy to navigate. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching TechVibes.